Cub.
Cube.
Sorry.
Well, it's a game that originated in Sweden, in the Scandinavian countries, and it's a type of game that actually originated with the Vikings many centuries ago, and has taken off. It took off in Wisconsin and Minnesota. They actually have clubs that up there they're playing. It's a family game, but it is also a tournament type of game, and we're going to do a demonstration later on so that you'll be able to see how it works. It requires some skill. It's kind of a combination of bocce ball, horseshoes, and maybe a little chess thrown in. And that's the game itself. We, as the Swedish Historical Society, decided that we were going to step out of the box and add another type of event to our association here, which we already have, is the Lucia and the Midsummer that comes up here in June. So this is just another event that we're going to take off with. And we're hoping to see that eventually someday we'll have clubs in Rockford. Perhaps we'll have another tournament. Maybe the national tournament will return to Rockford here, where they've been talking about that.
What do you hope to get out after when you're going to put on this event? What's the main outcome you want to get from this event?
Well, we'd like to get the game itself introduced to Rockford. That also then the event, it brings people to Rockford. We think Rockford is a great city, and by gosh, the Swedes were a part of its beginning, and we just want to make sure that the goal is to get people to come here to see the game, and eventually, as it's held again, the crowds will be greater.
How great is it to see a great ethnic heritage like being Swedish have an event like this here in Rockford?
Well, Swedes, along with the Italians and a lot of ethnic folks here, have contributed a lot to this community. And we're trying to continue that heritage. We have the museum here, which people go through day after day. They come here, some even stand inside the house and cry because all of a sudden they're seeing a past of maybe their parents. I'm a first-generation Swede. My father came across the pond to New York, to Chicago, to Rockford. And so we're just trying to continue that heritage on and not let it die.